Meron salamata nga there's a breakthrough. No? Kadua, lawyer manggod ko, lawyer sining tupad nako. Kinahanglan, the completeness of anything is when it will stand the judicial scrutiny. In other words, that once we go into this, we have to do an airtight so that somebody should be hingalan na to be brought even to conclusion, which is imprisonment. And but hindi na to kalimtan taon. Ano ato yung mga jewelry. Di may mo nakita na itong nangawat, di na to makita asa ng jewelry.
Object.
Yes, that is corpo delicti na siya nga sina. The body of the crime, part na siya. And that is the responsibility that to complete so that our rejoicing will really be reverberating. Dili kay there will be rejoicing nga short-lived ra. Nganoan? Uy, dili man dayta makapile og kaso. Uy, ma-release pa din mga tawanan. Uy, kinahanglan we have to build the case so that those who are responsible should be ngalan na to ato gina ipadong nito sa bilangguan o pinaka-importante ang mga jewelries recovery.